If you're looking for wall clocks with second hand, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 wall clocks with second hand. Number 1, most popular, by Ambient Weather. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Telesonic. Number 3, by JIBANG. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Hense. Number 5, by Howard Miller. Find these wall clocks with second hand at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Telesonic. Number 7, by Slash. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Hense. Number 9, by Seiko Watches. Discover more wall clocks with second-hand ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Maple's Clock.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.